Hello guys, it's me Michaela and I'm going to be doing a video. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while. Okay, let's do a video on my new fidgets. I've got many new fidgets that you might have not seen. I got this one today. Color changes if you can't see. Pink one, it's not a Nido, it's a dough ball. I really like it. I really, and I've always wanted this, and my nana got me it. Flippy octopus. It's pop it, and then you can flip it. You see, it's got a face. You can flip the face. Whee! And you got that. It's so fun. I brought it to school. Well, I got it today at school. I saw my nana and we were doing a swimming carnival. And you won't believe that, you probably just saw the next one. You won't believe what I got next. A ginormous needle. It's huge! It's so fun. Next patient. Well, let me look. The jelly star. Hallelujah, squishy. It's so fun. A shimmer bear. Shimmer bear. I want this video to be quick. I got this. I got a red one and a blue one, and this one it changes colour. One's in my bag and one's in there. I'm just gonna go looking for it after. And oh, I found the blue one. The blue one. And I got a new pea in a pod. And I think I've shown you this. A seashell puppet with seashells on. I think I showed you this or not. And I'm going to put all my new fidgets out and choose my favourite. Okay, come here. And you too. Where's my new pea pot? But first thing that's out, I don't really. I like it, but not my favourite. Second thing out. This one. I love it. It's one of my favourite, but not better than others. Then this one. Pop it. And sorry, this one has to go. And these, I can't choose which one's better. So, can you please like and subscribe on new videos? Watch me. And I want to you. I am going to pick a subscriber and do a personalized video for them. So subscribe soon. The next video, I will call out their name or something. Whee! Look at this. And look at this one. Oh! And I hope you like like the... No, I didn't show you this. Wait. This. It's this. I always wanted to try this. So keep on watching. Keep on watching. Put a poppet in there. Oh, but well, flip it over. You see the pops? I've tried it before. I just want you to see. It's so nice. Let's try it on the good side. Ah, pop out. He. Out. 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 Oops. Okay, I'm going to put it next to you. It's so fun. Ah, my knee is gone. And also with my Simple Dimple. The Simple Dimple is really fun. You should try the Simple Dimple if you have one. You might not, or maybe. This is another Simple Dimple I thought I looked, but I found it. It has strawberries on. Let's try with this one. Okay, you have to hold it down because it doesn't really work well. Oh, okay. My sister broke this one. Poor Simple Dimple, my sister jumped on it. Hear this. Oh. Wait, why can't you pop it? Oh, it's stuck. Silly. Okay, you have to hold on to it. I can't pop it. That's just silly. Okay, I can only do one pop, sorry. Yeah. It's so fun. I don't know why it didn't work. Let's try on the good side. Oh. Thank you for as much as subscribers I have. I really appreciate it. And one more thing, you should try. It's one of my favorite. It's not coming out. See, this one's stuck. Yeah. No, it's out. Mochi. I got a yellow mochi. Put the mochi in. Flip it over. Feel how cool it is. So cool. It's like soft. I found it with a squishy. Now I gotta find a squishy quickly. I don't know where my squishy went. Oh no, I lost my squishy. I gotta solve the mystery.